I'm taking it lives up to the term ultimate.
Yeah, it's an ultimate for sure. Oh. This is gonna be really hard to drink.
So we're gonna try here the Ultimate Long Island from this Tune-In Lounge at the 50 Primetime Cafe in Hollywood. And I have really bad history with Long Island, so I'm kind of afraid of this. Very, very tasty, but it tastes like bad memories. It's kind of chills you don't get rid of.
Grandma's Picnic Punch. Ooh. I actually like this one better. I kind of wish I'd gotten this. This is good. It's really sweet and it tastes like punch. Like normal, like punch bowl punch. Yeah.
They'd love to give you these light cubes here at Hollywood, and I hate these things. If I'd known that this was going to come in the one, I would have asked without. Which you can do, by the way. Bit fruitier than I expected, but it's still good. I mean, you can't taste the alcohol at all. It's really smooth. I can see why the Princess likes this one better. If I have to pick, I give this one 3 claws. The bad memory in a cup, 4, but I'd still rather have this, if that makes any sense. But, well, until the next one.
Guess who stole my drink?
I have veto power. I don't use it very often, but in this sense, I've stolen the Princess's